In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted messages here on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, if you permanently delete a chat inside Instagram, you cannot restore it directly inside the app. However, you can actually get all that information back because you can request a copy of Instagram data, which is going to include past messages. So open up Instagram, tap your profile icon down in the bottom right, and then tap the three lines up in the top right. And then from here, this is going to be your settings and activities. So essentially just scroll down a little bit. You're going to see an account center section. Open that up. And then scroll down a little bit more and you're going to see a Your Information and Permissions tab. Select that. From here, hit Export Your Information or Download Your Information, and then go ahead and choose the account that you want to download it from and sign in. And from here, you can request all your data or just the messages. Just submit that request and Instagram will process it and send a download link to your email. As soon as you get that email, open it up, download it, look through the messages folder and look through any message history. And if all the messages were backed up in your data, they're going to appear here. Now, keep in mind, if a message was unsent by the other person, it may not appear. And if a chat was permanently deleted and not included in your data archive, it cannot be restored. Be careful with third-party apps claiming that they can fully recover messages. Those are usually going to be scams and you're going to lose your information. But that is how you can recover deleted Instagram messages using Instagram's official data download tool. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.